Now we are about
bird's
to
eye
land
view of
in Las Vegas airport.
Las Vegas city of Nevada state
And these are all the
We're landing.
habitation of Las Vegas. You can see.
at the airport, traveling by Spice aircraft. You can see
Beautiful
the
habitation.
city has come up very well. The city has a population of
This walks in Nevada
6.6 lakhs
state.
and is the most populous city in Nevada state and is wholly dry, no vegetation or minimal vegetation. The vegetation
Yeah, it's
wholly
a tower.
consists
Yes, yes.
of the dates or some tropical pines here and there,
It's a black
and
one,
mostly
globe-like thing.
the scrubs, xerophytic plants found here and there. The weather is also hot. The city has come up very nicely. There is a continuous strip of more than 2 miles which consists of all casinos. This is ARM Reddy, retired BCC,
It's just
visiting
landing
Las Vegas
in Las Vegas airport.
city. The aircraft is now landing
Just touched.
smoothly in the airport.
The runway.
Thank you. Then in the airport you will find
Yeah, I'm ready.
games, video games, gambling games,
Las Vegas.
betting games. You can see. Best time to visit is winter or till April, May, not later than that.